Welcome to our free training on affiliate marketing for beginners. Easiest system ever. Are you looking for a simple and effective way to start making money online? If so, then affiliate marketing may be the perfect method for you. In this course, we will show you how to get started with this powerful and profitable method. No skills in SEO, Facebook ads, or Google ads are required. This method is based on a simple yet highly effective system. So sign up today and learn how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you are new to online marketing, or if you are looking for a simple and effective way to start making money online, then look no further. In this course, we will show you a powerful method that anyone can use, regardless of their experience level or location. This method requires no skills in SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, or other technical aspects of online marketing. Instead, it is based on a simple yet highly effective system that has the potential to generate immediate profits. So sign up today and learn how you can start making money with affiliate marketing. Find out more by clicking on the URL in the description. Get started today.